Hello kids, now it's time for another exercise. Let's see. The exercise is match the words with the correct pictures. Yani, you have to match these words with their pictures. Let's start. We have spelling of B-O-Y, boy. तो हमें अब boy की picture को find out करना है. Where is boy? Okay, here he is. So let's match with boy. B-O-Y, boy. Then next we have M-O-P, mop. Where is mop? Let's find out. Okay, here the mop is. M-O-P, mop. Let's match mop with the picture. Okay, next we have D-O-G, dog. So we have picture of dog. Let's match with it. D-O-G, dog. Then we have L-O-G, log, यानी लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. L-O-G, log. Let's see. So we have log. We have matched it. Next we have P-O-T, pot, यानी एक मटका, pot. Let's see where it is. Okay, here it is. Let's match pot with the picture. P-O-T, pot. So we have done it very well. Now it's your time to practice. See you next time. Bye-bye.